My name is Linda, and the procedure I had done here with Dr. Hahn is I had three implants on the bottom and a full dental implant arch on the top. My lower teeth were starting to tip outward and become very loose. And on the top, the front one was doing the same arching out and getting caught on my lip. And I had a lot of root canals, and the teeth were becoming brittle and coming apart. My younger brother had gone to Dr. Hahn and had an implant, and I had called him, and he suggested Dr. Hahn, and I came, and I saw it, I liked him. The first time I met Dr. Hahn, he listened to all my concerns. He was very pleasant and understanding, and he had a lot of information to give to me on what could be done.
Upon examination, we took CT scan, a lot of x-rays, so we did detailed examination. And then what I realized, her bridge that she had was failing completely. She didn't have any pain, she didn't have any discomfort, so she kind of ignored that issue for many, many years. Also, I realized that she has a severe periodontal disease. So what I recommended for her is her remaining upper teeth unfortunately cannot be saved. Best possible solution for her was replace her existing teeth with dental implants, and then using dental implants we make prostheses so that we have a total control of her smile and also the function of her teeth as well.
Since the procedure, which has been 4 years, it's been great. They're just like my own natural teeth. I would definitely recommend Dr. Hahn's team because my experience was unbelievable. I had absolutely no pain. I believe I took one Advil through that whole experience with the lower implants and the full top bridge implants. Not one single day of pain. Yes, I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking to have that experience. I really can't thank Dr. Hahn and his team and his office people. They've made this whole experience really good for me, really wonderful. I really thank them a lot, because if it weren't for his office, I wouldn't have the implants that I have today. I wouldn't.